Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din and today I have a delicious rice pudding recipe for you, which we call Kheer. It's very easy to make, it's very creamy and Moorish. So I'm going to show you my simple recipe which takes roughly about an hour to make. So I'm going to go through step by step, and this is what we must do first. In a saucepan, make sure it's a large saucepan so you can stir well. We're going to add 1.5 litres of milk. Make sure the milk is full fat milk because that will make sure that it's nice and creamy, the texture. So into this we're going to put some basmati rice. I'm using a Zeera rice here. As you can see, it's very small and this has a lot of fragrance as well. So if you haven't got this, just use normal basmati rice, about 80 grams, and about 80 grams of sugar. You can add a little bit more sugar. I've put in some cardamom powder, probably about just under half a teaspoon, 2 pieces of cinnamon and some sultans. Right, that's it. Once we have everything in the pot, there's nothing else to go in, and all we need to do now is with a spatula. I think probably a metal spatula would probably be better because it can make sure that nothing's sticking on the bottom. That's what you don't want to happen. So once we bring it to the boil, we're going to turn it right down and simmer it for a good hour, and that should do it. But what you must do as well, make sure it doesn't burn. So I'm finding that this induction cooker is making the rice pudding stick to the bottom a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer this to my outside kitchen and finish it off there where I have a gas stove. Right, this is much better. Now we're outside on my gas stove, we can now bring it to the boil again and then turn it down to really low simmer, and that's all there is to this rice pudding. We bring it down to a nice simmer and then stir every 5 to 10 minutes. What you see me doing now with the spoon is just scraping all that goodness back into the pot, all the milk which is dried on the sides. This is gonna give it more flavour, so just keep scraping it and keeping it clean and keeping everything in the pot. So as you see, it will bubble up a little bit, but scrape that back down and put it into the pot, and this will make it nice and creamy. We're going to reduce this by probably about 40%, I think, and this way it'd be just perfect. And you can serve this as a dessert after your meal, or sometimes people give this with a cup of tea when the guests come round, and any way you want to serve this up is really nice. You can make it and then reheat it if you want it hot, or you can have it cold. Anyway, that's all you have to do. This is how you make kheer. Just basically just keep stirring every 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure it doesn't stick, and once an hour's up, take it off the cooker. It's ready to serve. But before I go, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button. I've noticed that nearly 80% of my viewers do not subscribe. It doesn't take a lot of effort to subscribe, so please subscribe. It helps the channel to get up there and get people notice my recipes. So that's all I have to say. So just take 2 seconds off your time in your life and subscribe to my channel, especially if you enjoy my recipes. So anyway, I must go, and please let me know in the comments if you enjoy this recipe or any of my other recipes, and if you need any advice, just message me. So anyway, bye for now, and hope to see you soon in my other videos.